Hello everybody. Today we're going to learn the baritone part for the song Waka Waka. As I mentioned before, the baritone keeps the beat in the ensemble. So the baritone is just going to play the basic notes for the song. Right, here are the notes for Waka Waka on baritone. You start with C on your left. You're going to go 1, 2. As you can see, I'm alternating my hands, right, left. Next, you go to G, also 4 times. And then you go to A, and then you go to F. And then that's it. All right. Right, I'm going to put it together. C, 4 times. G, 4 times. A, 4 times. F. Right. Okay, that's simply basic. I'm sure you're going to get bored by just playing all those notes throughout the song. While you have other notes there, there's a C on your left where you start from. There's another C. You can also throw that in. All right. For example, you can go and then A. Or start from that C. There you go. All right, so I know I've been playing a lot of notes there. I'm sure you can also work them out on your own. All right, good luck with that. So that is the baritone part for Waka Waka. Now we're going to just go to the ending, which is the last thing. The piccolo, the soprano, the tenor, all play the same notes for the ending. So does the baritone. There you go. C on your right. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. F, 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 G, G, C, 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 C. G, 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 G. A, 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 A. F, 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 and C and C to end. All right, good luck. Enjoy learning the baritone part. Thank you for watching this episode. Please click on the link to our website, or you can watch some of our other videos here. If you enjoyed the videos, please like and subscribe. This is going to help us to create more awareness and to share skills.